Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video on Bugley, our T3 bus. Now, I've had a few questions from yourselves about what bed I've got, or if I've got a bed, and if I have a bed, how do I do it with these seats? Now, I made up a bed before I was on this channel, and I thought, well, I'd just show you guys what I did. I didn't go down the route of buying a rock and roll bed with all the foam in, because these seats are just so comfortable. So, you know, got the armrests on them, and I love them. I know they're tatty, but they're just so comfortable to travel in. So I didn't want to lose that part of it. So I made my own, really. So what I'll do is I'll set you up in the back and show you how it folds down, and then I'll just quickly run through how I made it and what I think the advantages and the disadvantages of doing it this way are. So I'll set you up in the back and then we'll unfold it, and well, let's see what you think. Before I set you up, I'll just give you a quick look of the seats anyway. You see what I mean? They're nice. They got the armrests that fold up, sort of. They're not the prettiest, but they're really comfortable to travel in. So yeah, I wanted to keep that. Right, I hope you can see me okay. I set up what lighting I can. Basically, the caravel has got a latch. I don't know if you can see it. Just put a little thing here, and it pulls them latches over. So all I do is pull them over, and then you've got to untangle your seat belts, which is normal. Now this is the part I made it up, and I've just got a latch here, or a strap, to hold it all together. And I lift these legs up. He says, oh, typical, it's got stuck in it. So they fold up like that. Just put it straight over. And then that just covers up the gap. And that's it, that's nice and flat. And if I pull that out properly, it's fine, it's all good. And then what I've got is I've got a memory foam mattress that I just lay over it, and it's really quite comfortable. Oh, we're back inside now. These are just little pieces of rubber, which I normally just stick under the legs just to protect the floor, and it stops them moving a little bit, but I just store them underneath there. So what we've got basically is this is 2 sheets of 1/8 aluminium, and that bit is just got a piano hinge. Can you see a piano hinge all the way along there? Like that. And actually I've got to lift that up to fold it up, and I'll just lift this up and I'll show you the frame underneath. Now the legs might fall in, they might not, sometimes they do, like that. That's why it was jammed. So basically what we got is I made a frame up, it's just out of inch box, and that is attached through this 1/8 aluminium sheet, which is obviously attached to the other aluminium sheet with this piano hinge. See it running all the way along there? And the back sheet is just attached to the frame of the main seat. It's really simple idea. I didn't want to make it too complicated. And then I've got this strap, which just, I'm not going to be able to do this one-handed, am I? Just clips in. One-handed and left-handed. All that does is stop that flopping around when the seat's up, and then the seat goes up, and then it will latch. I can't do it now because the seat belts are trapped, but just, oh, it did do it, and that's latched. So that's back to original. So it's a really quite simple thing in here. It took a bit of fiddling around doing, but yeah, I mean, you could do it out of ply if you didn't have aluminium, but I just had this aluminium laying around, so I used it. You know, that's how I roll, because I'm tight. But yeah, so this is the front part, and I'll show you the back bit. We're at the back. I actually made this after I'd done all of the front seat, so the heights were the same, because this is going to be the easy bit to change. So ultimately, it's just some, wherever that is, 6x2, I think, I had left over from a job, just framed around with a piece of OSB, and I used this stretch carpet over the top of it. And I cut that out because it was so flipping heavy and it didn't need to be. And I like the look of it, which is a bit sad, really. But also with doing this, you get some little pockets, which is good for storage. Both sides, you know, keep some tools and bits in there. But yeah, that's the basic layout. That's the word I'm looking for. And I've done the side panels in the stretch carpet. This stretch carpet is brilliant. Try and buy a reasonable quality one if you can, but it's so easy to use. And this has been like this a couple of years. I mean, I don't do a lot of camping. That's why I don't mind the way it is. But yeah, this is just so neat and easy to do. So yeah, do it. Get your saw out and make stuff and cover it in carpety stuff and things. Right, so advantages and disadvantages of what I've done. Advantages, I think I'll go first, is you keep a standard seat, dead comfy, use all the original seatbelt mounts, and I've got a lap belt in the middle. I don't know if you could ever get a 3-point in the middle, but it's all factory mounted. This all factory mounts as well, and there's space underneath, which is good. I mean, you get that with a rock and roll bed as well. Another advantage is probably cost. I don't know how much a rock and roll bed costs, but obviously this I got cheap. It wasn't with the bus when I bought it, but I got it nice and cheap, so that's all right. Disadvantages, I would say, is you've got to make it yourself. Also, you've got to carry around a big roll of mattress, because you're not using the foam from this, you're using a mattress you lay on top. So for me, it's not such an issue, because I use this more for sort of, well, I did use it more for mountain biking and things, so this was perfect for me, and I didn't need to carry the mattress. But we've been away well, we went to Busfest last year. There was 3 of us traveling it, so there's 3 of us with all our gear, and there was plenty of room. So yeah, I would say that is the biggest disadvantage, really, is having to carry that roll. Apart from that, I really like it. So, and I want to see what you think. You tell me what you think, and tell me what you've done in yours, and how you think your advantages and disadvantages sort of weigh up. So that's the end of this little video. I was only answering a few questions, and please give us more questions. I like that. That's good. Anyway, like I say, please ask some more questions. Put them in the comments below. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. We're always doing something. I try and get out as many videos as I can when I can. And oh yeah, I always forget. Please have a look at our Instagram account, which is Larks_workshop, or is it that way? I don't know, that way or that way. It's down there somewhere anyway. And I hope to see you next time. Stay safe. Cheers then.